Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to your ProtonMail on iPhone. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, unlock your iPhone and make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open the App Store and tap the Search tab at the bottom. Type ProtonMail in the search bar and look for the official ProtonMail app by ProtonAG. Tap Get or the download icon. Then wait until the app finishes installing. When the installation is done, tap Open to launch ProtonMail. If you see a welcome screen, tap Sign in to continue. On the login page, tap the username field. Enter your Proton username, or enter your full Proton email address if you prefer. Next, tap the password field. Type your Proton account password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you use a password manager, select your saved Proton login and fill it in. Tap the Sign In button to submit your details. If two-factor authentication is enabled, you will be asked for a 2FA code. Open your Authenticator app and find the Proton code. Type the 6-digit code into the ProtonMail app and continue. If you use security keys, follow the on-screen prompts if your iPhone supports your method. If you see a message about saving your login, choose the option that fits your preference. When asked about notifications, tap Allow if you want new email alerts on your iPhone. On the mailbox screen, wait a moment while your inbox syncs. Tap Inbox to confirm your messages are loading correctly. Tap the menu icon to check that your account name is shown at the top. If you have multiple Proton accounts, tap your account name to switch or add another account. If you cannot sign in, double-check your username and password for typos. If you forgot your password, tap Forgot Password and follow the recovery steps. If the app is stuck, close it from the app switcher and reopen it. If sign-in still fails, update the ProtonMail app from the App Store. Also make sure your iPhone date and time are set automatically for 2FA to work properly. Once you are signed in, you can start reading, sending, and organizing your ProtonMail securely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.